So we're at Chimney Rock in Chimney Rock, North Carolina, and we just drove about 2 miles up and checking out this amazing view. Wow. Of Lake Lure, which is right next to Chimney Rock. We could do the 500 steps up to here, but not today. We're gonna catch the elevator. So in order to get up to the top, we have to walk through a tunnel. So we made it up on the elevator. Check out the view. Lovely little skywalk. You can have lunch, but we are headed up there. Pray one little piece of rock doesn't like come loose and the whole thing goes sliding down. Nope, no negative thought. Just beautiful, 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 beautiful experience. Oh no, here we can go much further up. Not today. The winds are